Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. A little bit of an extra video here today. Just wanted to say thank you and do a kind of a small unboxing, but primarily say thank you to Stuart George and Paul Fox. Now, Stuart George has been very good to the channel, been very good to me personally, very generous. And one of the things that he did was he gifted me a carved Christopher Bradley. And I said to him, Stuart, I've already got one. He said, I know, but I'd like you to have it. Maybe you could trade it. Maybe you could sell it. Do whatever you want with it. I'd just like you to have it. So it sat in there for a while. Didn't want to sell it. Don't really like selling gifts. But then Paul Fox from Fox's Shaving came. He did a video and he got a razor. Now, I may be wrong, but I just got the impression he wasn't overly keen on the razor, and I'd wanted one of these razors, and every time I tried to get one they were sold out, and when I did have when they weren't sold out I didn't have the money at hand. So I saw Paul, he made that video. I messaged him and I said to him, Paul, would you like to swap your razor for my carved Christopher Bradley? And he said yeah, and we did a little trade. So this is courtesy of Stuart George. He's got a channel, you see it on the front, Home Movies. If you're looking, if you're interested in that as well, he reviews home movies and shows you and gives you. I've had a few ideas from what to watch on a Saturday night from watching Stuart's videos. Go and check him out. He's a good guy. He's part of the wet shaving community. He doesn't do wet shaving videos, but he is part of the wet shaving community. Go and check out his channel, Stuart George Home Movies, I think it's called. And then Paul Fox, the Shaving Fox. Go and check out his channel as well. So Christopher Bradley got sent to Paul, and in return Paul sent me this. Check this out, guys. Yates Precision Engineering, and this is the winning razor. Now he sent a couple of packs of blades, so I'll take them out and put them on one side, and he sent me something else here. I'll show you this in a minute. And there it is. Look, I think he's used it twice. Just a wonderful act of generosity from you guys in the wet shaving community. Just wanted to show you the razor, do a little unboxing like I said, and primarily just say thank you to you guys. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful and I'm really looking forward to that. So thank you, Stuart George, for the carve that allowed me to trade, and thank you to Paul Fox for very graciously doing a swap and allowing me to get this razor, which I've been after for some time. So thank you guys. Now, see this. I bought this from Pasteur's and it smells like nail polish remover, and I've not known what to do with it, and I've left it, and it is just like nail polish remover. It just smells like acetone. Well, when Paul sent me that and those blades, look at what he sent me, guys. He sent me a little vial of Sterling's Haverford essential oils. Now this is Haverford, Tom Ford. This is based off of a Tom Ford scent, and that is very strong, very pungent essential oils. It says EDP 5 mil. It's not an EDT. That is the thickest. That's been mislabeled. That's essential oils. So I'm going to put that in there, and then we'll have a Tom Ford, won't we? So thanks again. It's just a little quick video, guys, just from me to you guys to say thank you and publicly acknowledge these two members of the wet shaving community. Go give them a like, give them a sub. Don't forget to tell them Lancashire's very own living legend sent you down there. Okay, look after yourselves, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Bye.